Dr. Kirsten Banks. I'm an astrophysicist and lecturer here at Swinburne University, and I'm also affiliated with the ARC Centre of Excellence for Gravitational Wave Research in Australia. When it comes to our natural curiosity of the universe, it really stems from where we come from, and that is the universe. Like the oxygen in our blood, the carbon in our DNA, and the calcium in our bones and our teeth, they were forged in the centers of stars. So our curiosity of the universe really stems from that idea of where do we come from, and the universe is that place. I think it's really important for universities to not only do research at the university, but also share that research with the public. Because how else are you going to foster people's curiosity and inspire the next generation of explorers and innovators if you don't share that journey that you're going on as part of the university? I think when it comes to people wanting to learn more about the journeys they can take in their careers, whether it be academic or industry or otherwise, seeing those opportunities is really important because you can't be what you can't see, especially if you're not sure if this job even exists. I didn't think my job was going to exist when I was in high school, and yet here I am. I think Swinburne really thrives in doing compelling research, but also sharing that research with the world around them, not just within schools or within the community, but also with policymakers as well. There's a real drive to show the world what we do and how we do it best. For me, the best part is the facilities that we have here. For example, some of the teaching rooms that we have, including the one that we're in right now, it really opens the eyes of the curiosity of the young people coming into the university and seeing what can be possible. Astrophysics can be very overwhelming since it's such a vast topic. You can study all sorts of things when it comes to astrophysics. But the strength of astrophysics really comes into the skills that we learn as being astrophysicists. So we learn about how to deal with big data, we learn lots of statistics, even with satellites. We use them to look up into space, but we can also turn them to look down onto Earth to help us with climate monitoring and modeling and helping us within those avenues of protecting our Earth. What drew me to Swinburne was the wonderful community that we have here. So when universities bring together their strengths, we can inspire more people to be the next explorers, to be the next innovators, and to take us to places we've never even imagined. The possibilities are truly endless. What I'm most excited about the future of astrophysics and of communicating our science to the public is that we could have no idea what's ahead of us. And that's truly the most exciting thing. When it comes to the universe, there are mysteries that we know we don't know, but there are also mysteries that we don't know we don't know. And those are the things that are truly the most exciting about the universe. Like there's endless possibilities of to what we could even possibly find. There are two examples where Swinburne is doing a great job at positive outcomes from our space capabilities and our capability with sharing with the public. And that includes one particular program where my colleague is actually getting school kids to send experiments to the International Space Station, where we're sending seeds, we're sending yogurt cultures and mushrooms as well, and bringing them back down so that they can take those seeds and yogurt cultures home to do science with hands-on. Another great example where Swinburne is playing a vital role is the rover mission. So Australia is sending a rover to the moon as part of the NASA Artemis missions, and Swinburne is one of the many universities that is playing a vital role in making that rover happen.